Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free PayPal money right away. So what you need to do is get a PayPal money code or a PayPal gift card. So I know a website where you can do this. It's called OG Snags. So just come on down here and type in PayPal. And as you can see, it says PayPal gift cards. So just press show coupon code and it's going to generate you your PayPal code. So let's just wait for this to load. And once it generates it, guys, you will press get full code. It's going to bring you to a new page and it's going to say, how do you use it? Do you want to keep it? How many times a week do you shop? And so then we have to enter our email. So let me just put this in right here. All right. And then we're just going to press continue. And it's going to bring us to a new page where you got to register. So you got to fill all your information and then they'll send you up to $750 on the PayPal, guys. So be sure to try this out for yourself. It's super cool. And PayPal money is hard to come by these days, obviously. So yeah, this is super cool. You can see I got over $1,000 in here when I did this. So it's totally updated, guys. So be sure to try this out. So yeah, you just gotta put in your email and all your information, guys, and you will get free PayPal money. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So I'm gonna see you in another video, but just make sure you put in your name and stuff. It's totally legit. I mean, you can look it up. There is a little lock on the website right there, so that means it's legit. But I just don't want to show you guys my information, obviously. I'm trying to keep that on the lowdown. So yeah, this is super cool though. So be sure to try it out for yourself. It's super insane, guys. So yeah, this actually works, guys. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys later, but yeah, that's how to get free PayPal money. Just fill this out and you should be good to go. So I'll see you later and peace out.